So I've been a little bit busy and I've bought a load of bits. So I've got handlebars, lock set, subframe, headlight, clutch, battery, 2 air filters because they packed 2 accidentally. The fuel, needle valves, spark plugs, seat glove holder thing, end of the oil pump jobby that goes on the oil catch can, and there's some other stuff on the way, but I won't mention it in case it turns out not to arrive. Ooh, so this is an interesting one. On the brakes, it says, you can't buy a seal kit for it, but obviously you can measure the standard sizes and just get standard sizes. But what you can't get, or what isn't listed, is the joiner seal for the front calipers. Now, from what I understand, the front calipers are the same as Aprilia RSV, Ducati 748, Ducati 996, 916, a couple of things. If not the same, they're the same sort of caliper but different mounting holes and stuff like that. So this is actually an Aprilia RSV rear caliper pin, but will go in the front. And this is a joiner seal for an RSV front caliper. So they are serviceable, and you don't have to spend silly money from what they called they're quite famous for their brake rebuild kits. Anyway, 30p for that seal. You ain't getting it anywhere else, are you? Set of handlebars. Now I don't know if these are going to fit. Taking a bit of a whim. Lock set. Now I paid £20 for this. Now that doesn't have RS250 tax on it, does it? No. You know why? Because this is not from an RS250. This is from a Pegaso 650 or something like that. Quite an ugly looking bike. Anyway, doesn't have RS tax on it. £20 for that lock set. All the part numbers match that of the RS250. So this lot should work, no worries. Right, let's get on with jobs. So, getting on with the brakes, remove the calipers. I'm going to put an airline down here. I'm going to crack this up open actually, and try and. Oh, that's a 14. I don't want a 14. And try and force these pistons out. Then I'll split the calipers and replace the seals. So, there we go. I don't have seals yet. I need to order some up, but I need to check the sizes. Cool, that one's on it. Socket. What I should have done is left these on the bike. I expect these bolts holding the two halves together are going to be a real pain as well. There we go. Right, so all the bolts have been replaced. Got these new shiny stainless ones. Inspected the seals, give them a clean. They're all good, gonna reuse them. So, just gonna I'll only show you on one caliper. You don't need to see on both. This is from an RSV 98, 99, 2000, something like that. 30p for that seal. Right. Just get a bit of rubber grease on these. Now they should just push straight in without too much force. There we go. Just like that. Happy days. I have to get these little fine sand. Right, carb body's been cleaned. Got the new needle valve, so let's put that in. I've cleaned the pilot jet. I still need to clean the float bowls, which attach, and I need some replacement pipes, which has a power jet in it. So let's just do this one. So it's just Tormax part. They're basically known for using, being OEM, what the OEMs actually use. I'm just going to put a little bit of rubber grease around that O-ring. Don't want to smother it. There we go, beautiful. I'm going to go on there. Seems to be struggling here. Just take that one off. Get that new one on. There we go. And go back on that. 280. Okay. Right. I'll get this all tightened up and basically ready to go back on the bike. I won't show you the other one. It's the same process.